Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Poppo Live account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the best way to do this is to make sure we got our Poppo Live application download and install from our Play Store. So just do a search for Poppo Live, download and install it. Now once we've done that, we want to go ahead and open it up for the first time. Now it's going to say turn on notifications, so you can click confirm, allow Poppo Live to send, allow, and then we've got a few different ways how we can create an account. So it says login with Google, Facebook, and some more login methods, but it doesn't say create an account, but that's okay. So what this basically does, if we choose login with Google or Facebook, that's basically going to sign us up at the same time using our account. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on login with my Google account. I'm going to click on accept the user agreement. Now choose which Google account you'd like to sign in and sign up with, and then from there it's going to go ahead requesting a location, so while using the app. Now if we go ahead and click on our profile, it's going to say we have successfully signed in, but we need to go ahead and complete your profile. So just go ahead, tap on your profile and just complete all the necessary steps to complete it.